Have you ever wondered how a beautiful urn planter like this is made? When you see these elegant planters standing at the entrance of a luxury hotel, a commercial building, or a beautiful private garden, do you ever think about the craftsmanship behind them? How can a simple raw material become such a detailed architectural planter? How can every curve, every texture, and every antique finish be created by hand? Today, we will take you inside our factory and show you the complete journey of this fiber clay urn planter, from raw materials to the final container shipment. Are you curious? Let's discover how it is made. This urn planter and pedestal base are designed for premium outdoor landscaping applications. They are widely used for hotel entrances, commercial buildings, residential gardens, landscape projects, and luxury outdoor spaces. Unlike traditional concrete planters, fiber clay planters combine a natural stone appearance with lighter weight and better flexibility. However, creating a high-quality fiber clay planter is not a simple process. Every piece requires careful handcrafting, skilled workers, and strict quality control. The production journey starts with manual material preparation. Our workers carefully mix the raw materials according to the production formula. Then the material is manually applied onto the mold layer by layer. For this urn planter, every detail matters. The body of the planter, the decorative edge, and the pedestal base are all carefully shaped by experienced craftsmen. The thickness must be controlled evenly. Too thin may affect strength. Too thick may increase unnecessary weight. Finding the right balance requires years of experience. After the basic shape is completed, the workers continue refining every surface and detail. Strength is one of the most important parts of a premium fiber clay planter. After the basic shape is completed, fiberglass sheets are carefully attached inside the planter. This reinforcement layer improves the structure and helps the planter achieve better durability during transportation and outdoor use. For large planters, especially urn planters and pedestal bases, fiberglass reinforcement is essential. It provides additional support while keeping the product lightweight compared with traditional materials. After this process, the planter needs to rest and dry naturally. After the material is fully cured, the planter is carefully removed from the mold. This step requires patience and experience. The workers carefully inspect the surface and begin the sanding process. But sanding is not simply making the surface smooth. The biggest challenge is keeping the original handcrafted texture and decorative details. Too much sanding can remove the natural character. Too little sanding may affect the final appearance. Our craftsmen carefully balance both. Every corner, every pattern, and every curve needs to maintain the original design. Before painting, every planter goes through another detailed inspection. Small imperfections created during handmade production are carefully repaired. The workers check surface smoothness, shape accuracy, texture details, and overall appearance. Only after passing this preparation stage can the planter move to the painting process. The painting process creates the final character of this urn planter. First, a primer coating is applied. This provides a strong foundation and improves paint adhesion. After the primer dries, the surface color coating is applied, but the process does not stop here. To create the antique stone appearance, our workers manually brush the surface. This handmade finishing technique highlights the raised textures and decorative patterns. Every stroke creates a unique, natural effect. This is where craftsmanship turns a simple planter into a premium landscape product. Before packing, every planter receives a final quality inspection. Our team checks shape, color consistency, surface finishing, structural condition, and packaging requirements. For international customers, product consistency is extremely important. That is why quality control is involved throughout the entire production process. After inspection, the finished urn planters and pedestal bases are carefully packed according to customer requirements. Different customers may require different packing solutions. Loose packing for maximum container utilization, pallet packing for easier warehouse management, or customized protection for special projects. Each product is carefully secured before loading into the container. From raw materials to handmade shaping to final shipment, every step represents our commitment to quality craftsmanship. At Fancy Pottery, we believe every planter is not just a container for plants. It is a piece of outdoor architecture that creates beautiful spaces around the world. If you are looking for a reliable fiber clay planter manufacturer for your next project, we are ready to support your ideas.